Hi everyone, Dr. Kamal here from Spine Care Salisbury. This month I'm here to talk to you about reducing the chemical stresses in your environment. Unfortunately these days we are surrounded by chemicals. They're sprayed onto our food, they're in our beauty products, they're in our household cleaners and even in the air we breathe via pollution. More specifically, I wanted to talk about how eating organic can reduce our chemical load. First of all, let's talk about pesticides. Due to their purpose, pesticides are toxic substances, so reducing the amount we consume is probably a good idea. Organic produce, on the other hand, is farmed without the use of pesticides, GMOs, or synthetic fertilisers. This produces more nutrient-dense food, which is better for your health in the long run. However, I know going organic can seem like a really expensive task for many households. That's why I refer to a list called the Dirty Dozen and the Clean 15. I've linked this above. The Dirty Dozen are produce items that are heavily laden with pesticides. These are better to buy organic when you can. The Clean 15, however, are much less likely to contain many pesticides. These are okay to buy from your local supermarket. Go have a look at the list and plan your next trip to the farmer's market. If you and your family have any other tips on reducing chemical stresses in your environment, please comment below and share them with us. Thank you for watching.